Hello everyone. In this part of the video, I will give some question answers for class 7 students from chapter number 2, that is atmosphere. Let us start with the first question. Name the important gases of the atmosphere. Answer. The important gases of the atmosphere are oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, ozone. Next question. Name the two inert gases of the atmosphere. Answer. The two inert gases of atmosphere are helium, neon. Next question. Explain the importance of atmosphere. Number 1. Atmosphere is essential for both plant and animal life because it contains life-sustaining gases, oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide. Number 2. Weather phenomena occur on the earth due to the presence of dust particles and water vapor in the atmosphere. Number 3. The ozone layer in the upper stratosphere protects us from harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun. Next question. What is global warming? What can its effects be? Answer. Global warming occurs when carbon, other air pollutants, and greenhouse gases collect in the atmosphere and absorb sunlight and solar radiations that has bounced off the Earth's surface. Effects. Number A. Extreme heat waves have caused thousands of deaths around the world in recent years. B. Melting glaciers, early snowmelt, and severe droughts will cause more dramatic water shortage and risk of wildfires. C. Rising sea levels will lead to coastal floodings in areas like Florida and in other areas such as the Gulf of Mexico. Number D. Allergies, asthma, and infectious disease outbreaks will become more common due to increased growth of pollen producing ragweed, higher levels of air pollution. Next question. What is greenhouse effect? Which gases are responsible for it? Answer. The greenhouse effect is the warming that happens when certain gases in the Earth's atmosphere trap heat. These gases let in light but keep heat from escaping, like glass walls of a greenhouse. The gases which are responsible for it are carbon dioxide, methane, nitrous oxide, CFC. Next question. Explain the importance of stratosphere. Number 1 point till right. The stratosphere extends to a height of 50 km from the surface of the earth. It lies above the troposphere. Number 2. Weather related incidents do not take place in stratosphere. The air blows horizontally here. Therefore, this layer considered ideal for flying jet planes. 3. The belt of higher temperature corresponds with the presence of ozone. It absorbs harmful ultraviolet rays of the sun.